Okay, for let's go over to our chart. Yeah. So for this chart, we are going to be using recharts. Let's go to the browser. See it here. Just search for. You can go to Google or just search for recharts.org org recharts with a s .org, and you can come to this place. So basically, we're going to be using this area chart, and what we are going to specify here, we're going to be using the chart, but we're going to specify our data and our data key. We're going to specify it also. Those are the things we're going to change. So let's go to examples. Okay, we're going to be using the simple line chart. So let's import our components that we're going to use. Okay, Control C. Let's install recharts. Let's install the package npm install recharts. It's a lightweight package, so the installation is not going to take time at all. That's why I decided to use it, because it's simple to use. Okay, let's go and take our other things we need. We're going to take this data, but later we'll change it to reflect our own data informations. So we take this variable of data, it's an array. Okay, let's see it anymore. Okay, maybe we'll just copy from here up to that point. Okay, Control C, go to our component and paste it not inside the component itself, outside. Control V. Then let's go and take the component itself, and that is this responsive. So you just copy from here. Oh, come on. To this point, Control C. Let's take this out. I don't need this. Now Control V. And let's check what we have now. Okay, you can see that's our chart. So we are going to change these values to specify our own informations. So let's just go to the style and give it a padding of a border radius of 20 px, 10 px rather. Border radius 10 px. So we give it a curvy edge. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, instead of this line chart inside our responsive component, let's check for something else. This is what we used before, so let's check on the API. This particular one, let's try this area chart. Maybe it might come out better. Proceed. So let's replace it with this one. Control V. Let's see. Now, since our style is not picking up, let's take. I had to use this simple. The other one was simple line chart. Since I changed the the components inside. Let's use this simple area chart. Let's import this because there are some components that are missing. This one is complete. Let's replace it with this one. Let's see. Okay, better. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our own data for 6 months. So I'm gonna delete all these objects, this array of objects, remove all the objects in it. I'm gonna create our own. So just simply create the object and you give it a value of name, and the property will be January. January. And give it a value of total. Let's keep this one 1200. Okay, so we're going to duplicate this 5 times because we're going to have 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do one more, make it 6. So this is going to be February. March. April. May. June. So we change the values here. Give this one of let's say, so let's say 2100. Let's give this one 1, 6. Give this one 900. Give this one 1, 7. And give this one 800. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that this linear gradient, we're going to need only one. So we delete this one, and this one is gonna change to total. Then this key is gonna be capital letter T, total. I'm gonna delete this second one. Yeah. And the height. This height, I'm gonna give it a height of 200 just to test out. Total, key total. Let's see what it's looking like now. Okay. There's one more thing I feel I'm missing here. this fill, I'm gonna give it total also. Total. Okay, I think that's it. Then we are going to remove the y-axis. We don't need the y-axis. That's going to go out. We're only going to use this button. But for this height, the it can also take a prop of height with the value. It can take a prop of aspect ratio. So instead of using this height 200, you can use aspect ratio. Let me try this. Or 2/1. Let's see. Okay, better. So what this means now is that this 2 stands for the breadth, 1 stands for the height. So if you're having a breadth of 100%, we're saying give it a height of 50%. It's as simple as that. That's just it. So let's let me see what's left here. Let's give our grid a class name of grid. So we just style it, give it gray. Let's change this. Let's see if this will apply. I want to give this a style of, or let's do this first. I'm going to have a title here, a title, a div with the class name of title. And we're going to have revenue for the past 6 months. Revenue for the past 6 months. So let's just do a bracket here. Okay, let's see. We have that. So we're gonna style it. Let's go to our chat or CSS. We have display flex. Let's remove this display of flex and see, so that it's on. Okay, see, this is pulling out now. Let's check that. That is equals to 200. This is okay. Let's say 400. I'll fix that later, so this doesn't take. Okay, this is looking fair. So for that, for the title, let's do a title. Let's say border button. $10px. Let's give it a color of gray. Okay. Okay, so Let's give our created a class name of grid. Let's say uh, let's try and see. Let's say grid color. Let's say color gray. Okay. And let's check. Let's see this x-axis. Let's give it a stroke. A stroke of gray. Okay, that's better now. All right, so we are done with our chart. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to create a table. Yeah, we're going to create a table.